It's funny, guys. What? Tell them what place is this?
Baffle Creek, Rosemary caught a big.
GT?
Yeah, it's a small GT.
Oh.
Beauty. Is that dinner?
Yes. Kiss me, guys.
She loves the fish.
It's
You can use this one too if you want. This will be good in the boat, honey.
okay.
One.
Mark swear to me that he's not going back to the tent without fish, so he has to catch fish for me. Okay.
I'll try.
Okay.
I'm going to
Okay.
catch fish for me.
You have to.
No, I'm going to catch fish for me.
No, it's for me.
Not for me, and you have to cook it
Okay, hopefully, guys.
because I can't cook.
As you can see, Mark's tummy, it's big, full of fish. Okay, tent is already set up. This is our bahay-bahayan, bahay kubo, our cooking stove, and yan ang aming mga supply. Habang matagal po kami dito, ang aming pong mga supply. Yan. At ang aming bed. Yan, guys. Kami po ay magbabahay-bahayan. No, magpi-fishing po kami and then hunting ng crab, mud crab. Ang gitara ni Mark, dala-dala niya. So yan, guys. Bali yan po, sa likod po niyan yung lake na malalaki po siya at maraming mangrove. So yun, guys. Ayan, hindi pa siya tapos. Look, guys, mag-experiment po ako sa aking pong nahuling GT mango with coconut milk and curry and black pepper and salt. So I'm going.
Oh, Rosemary's cooked the mango fish.
Mango with coconut milk and